toss was won by Shan Masood, the captain of Bagh Stallions, and he wants to post a total on the board.
That's an exquisite shot by Shan Masood. Just leant into that, a little bit straight from the bowler, and he obliges. Oh, he's going straight. That's a beautiful shot. That works in every format. And we saw this earlier today, the openers. That's the one we were talking about, hitting the top of off stump. Sohail Khan obliging. Zishan's got to head back. That's a good nut. He's been running in from ball one, and he gets early rewards. He just had a feeling the Warriors had to make early breakthroughs today. And it's always a good sign to see a fast bowler running with a new nut and knock the stumps over.
Great seam, and batter had no clue how to play this. There was a late in swing also, and Sohail Khan saying, "This is what I want," or something else that we cannot share here.
And that's the end of Zishan Malik. Bit of room, flashes the bat at it. Bat speed took care of the fly, that's why it carried over that man at short.
It's beaten that man at point. It's just a question, as we've seen so often, if you just stray ever so slightly in terms of your line and length.
Upish, and then the fielder was too slow to move to his left. I don't know if he was ready for that or not.
This has gone far. This has gone high. And it's gone all the way.
Gone through, backward point. It's again that length that's not really working for them. Or not. That's one way of just showing what your business is. That's not working. That's not working. It's too good for that. That seems to be outside. Oh, he's given.
What I immediately thought was that it was perhaps going over. I'm sure when you then turn to play the reverse, the off stump becomes the leg stump as such, and I think that's a fair decision. The initial thoughts was that it was above the player, but let's hit him on the outside thigh. Definitely looked as if it was going on to hit the stumps.
That's what we've been discussing. You're doing well playing straight. That's the first ball you're facing from him. Reverse. 20, Royal, 70 for 2.
He's trying to unleash now, and he's had a full go, and that's powerful. A boundary. Brilliant stroke. The feet, beautiful shot, extra cover. That's a wonderful shot. He was nowhere near the pitch of that ball, but he still played a great shot. Shot. Once again, you're not stopping this one. Don't bother running after that. Another boundary to finish the over. Man runs off it. Pull this, pull this. Oh no, he's hit it straight down his throat.
Oh, we are so sorry, Mr. Shafiq. We put the markers on you. So sorry. He was in a royal touch. Made a couple of beautiful strokes. That was a forcing one. And indeed, it's a Super Asia smart catch. Kent underneath the ball. Reverse cup. And the ball disappeared. That's a big wicket for the Warriors. Always a relief to see this man's back.
That is a shot. I'll tell you what, that was dismissive.
Plenty of disdain.
Slow one again. It's going to be tough to hit those slow ones. Oh, that's gone through. The dive. He's just dived all over it. Yeah, that's not what we want from Sohail Khan. a little too short, a little too leg stumpish, and the same result. Look at that. He's just helped it on his way. So there's no worry for him. He's not working hard for these boundaries. They're just coming to him, and he's putting them away. This is like throwdown. There you go. Drive right through, mid-off and cover. They're being punished out here because they've just not been able to bowl a consistent length. Yes, too much of movement in the box. First backing away, then trying to go across and play it down to fine leg. He's actually gifted that. Good thing for Musa is he didn't change his line. Bang on to middle stump, and that earns him the reward.
That's Shan Masood gone. Mohammad Musa full and straight into the wicket. And Shan Masood trying that lap shot, but he was on the move. The head was falling. No position there to play that shot. Excellent, good pace delivery, and he is disappointed because there was a chance for Shan to reach his 100 as well, because he has set a great platform for the team. He's gone for 73. Stallions 137 for 4.
Out of the slower ball, that's a long side. Big five, and that's gone over the side screen. Mighty blow. And that could be a second successive six, almost into the dugout of the Stallions. So I'm really not sure what to bowl here. We went slower ball and going for the hole there. Once again, and there's an appeal, and easy decision for umpire. Afridi's gone for the third short one in a row. Third time lucky, he gets the wicket of Furkan for 1. Stallions are just losing the way a little bit here. A couple of wickets in the last couple of overs.
Afridi stuck to that plan of bowling the short him. On this occasion, it works. It brings him a success. All credit to him. He didn't let up. So Shafiq gone for 1. Stallions 152 for 5.
Musa continuing from the meter in. Could be a chance. Out in the deep. Unable to get a hand on it. Just missed his length a little bit. Full again. Man, that short front leg didn't look too interested in stopping that. It was a half-hearted effort by Sohail. It's gone full, it's gone downtown, and he finds the man at long off. Wicket for Sohail with his first delivery. That's what you got to do with those back of the length balls. Keep your shape. Wait for it. And a real distinct impression there. That's what Iftikhar did as he moves to 50, 53 of 26. And he also decides to go back of a length. The distinct impression that Iftikhar was waiting for that, but he could not make the contact that he wanted, and the Stallions
You'll definitely have that in your thinking. And how's that? How's that to finish it all? May just finishes it off with a brilliant pull over mid-wicket.
At the end of the 20th over, Bagh Stallions managing to put up 186 for 7 once again. Shan Masood leading the way, 73 of just 45, and Iftikhar Ahmed putting up a strong 54 of just 28. Overseas Warriors, the bowlers were struggling with their line and lengths, and they paid off with being hit for that many runs. The most expensive of the lot was Abbas Afridi, who gave away 44 in his 4 overs but got 2 wickets. 2 for Sohail Khan and a wicket apiece for Musa, Faizan and Alva Salman. So the target for Overseas Warriors, 187 to win this match and try to stay in the tournament.
In-swinger helped on its way. That's a wonderful start, the dream start for the Warriors. The best of balls, just in-swinger, right on the pads, helped on its way for 4. He smashed it back up the ground. There is no messing about with this man. He's off the mark with another boundary, just as he did in the previous game. Let's just flick that on its way. What a beautiful stroke. Just use the pace of the bowler. Pull straight back over the bowler's head. He didn't get all of it, but enough to go for 4.
Not an easy shot to play when the ball is coming into you.
Slower ball's got him off the pad. That stumps. He's trying to hit him over mid-on. That was the option he was taking.
The third time in this competition he's getting a chance and getting bowled. Slow one.
He's dragged it on. Slower ball, good change-up. And they need to use these change-up as the evening goes on. You're too predictable, you're going to get smashed. And that was a good change-up. It paid off. Uthman Ali Khan has gone for 4. Warriors 24 for 1.
That's better. That's great timing. Shot pitch. And another boundary in this over, turning out to be a good one. This time, Hazard wins it. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! If a batsman is so dialed in.
Oh, chance of a run-out direct hit. That is gone. That looks very, very gone. You can see by the gestures here, what a clean pick-up and throw from the keeper. That should have been headed score. You let your partner turn around, he's in nowhere to get back. Let's see. Oh, yes. Darrell, he's planting the bat rather than sliding it in. He's still short.
Good piece of fielding. Good piece of fielding. It required a direct hit. So that's been a dramatic 2 balls. I'm sure we know what that decision will be. Confirmed. Exactly what the Warriors needed. For the Stallions, 2 batsmen that are in and playing well. One has to go. That's exactly what the Stallions needed. Nawaz gone. Making sure that Haider Ali gets a fair amount of the strike, and that's why, because he just cut that beautifully. Dissected those 2 fielders.
That's a half-tracker. That's got to be punished, and that's the boundary they were looking for. You have to finish well in an over where you've already been hit for a boundary.
Has he on this occasion? No, he has not. That is straight to deep middle. So his little brief innings of 10 of 7 comes to an end. Success for the Stallions. So the Warriors now, the depth of their batting will be tested. Iftikhar, the fielder. Oh, there was a moment. He's just looked and said, oh dear. That almost slipped out of his hands, perhaps just a little bit different. Azam Khan, 10 of 8, and now the Warriors sort of bothered. 104 for 3 with 12 overs gone.
That's going to be a single. Last over, decided to bowl Ramin out. So 4th over. Direct hit. That could be interesting. I think he's safe. I think he dropped the ball. We'll have a look in just a second. A couple of chances. Captain rates up. Good run. So it took a while to get back to the stumps. On the move, trying to take it in front of the stump. So there it looks like he's got control. So the TV umpire will have to decide, is that ball making contact with the stumps or back of the hands without the ball? It's a tough call. It's close. We might have to see another angle. Definitely short of his ground. No doubt about that. It's all whether he had control or was it ball on stumps.
So we find a bit of evidence. What's he going to do? You wait with bated breath. Here it comes. Out! Rawlakot. Oh, what a shot. That was a Yorker. And he somehow routed this through third man for four. That's special stroke. There he goes, straight. That is a wonderful stroke. And has gone all the way. That's what they needed. And he's asking for drinks and gloves them. Straight. And far. William, what a shot that is. Gulam, yes. He's coming to the party here. Just what they need. Haider can't do it on his own here. Through extra cover this time. Wow. He's got it. He's on a roll here. Look at him go. He's pumped up.
Oh, what a hit that was. Haider Ali, he smoked this one. Oh, for toss. And it went flat. And it expanded to that embankment. High full toss into the gap. Much needed boundary. He's still alight. Oh, nicely played once again. This is the best stroke for me Haider Ali has played. He waited on that slow delivery, made sure the ball arrived to him and then hit the ball into the gap. Oh no, oh no.
Nazir again.
Is there another twist in this tale? Oh, what a time to lose Haider Ali. Set batsman. They'll start to think they're still within a chance. The Stallions.
Is this the turning point in the match? Once again, Rohit Nazir, brilliant behind the stumps. And Haider Ali had to go before finishing the match, before his century. He has played so well.
Oh, what an innings from Haider Ali. Living up to his reputation.
Or he's going to go big.
Single. No. Good usage of the feet. What a stroke. Very impressive batting from Kamran Ghulam. Oh yes. Oh yes. Warriors stays in the tournament. Their first victory. 2 points for them.
Oh, what a shot to finish the match. Kamran Ghulam deservedly played that shot. 117-6 of the tournament. Haider Ali was amazing. What an incredible chase this has been for Warriors.